Alright guys, so today in lesson 14 we worked again on comparing fractions, but today we used a couple of different strategies to do so. So in number 1 on tonight's homework, we're going to use reasoning, meaning we're going to think through what each of these fractions means in our head, and we're going to use our lovely comparing symbols to compare the fractions that we're given. So for A, I have 1/3. It's helpful when I write it out if it's in word form, and 1/6. And so I want to think, okay, if I had a candy bar that was split into thirds, those would be pretty big pieces. And then I had that same exact size candy bar, but it was split into 6, meaning I would have to share it with a lot more people and my pieces would be smaller. I wouldn't want that. And so that this thinking or this reasoning tells me that 1/3 is actually greater than 1/6. Now let's look at number 2. And we're going to compare using our reasoning again, but this time we want to use words, pictures, or numbers to explain our work. So for A, I'm comparing 3/6 and 3/7. And I personally really like using pictures. So I'm going to draw a tape diagram, kind of like my candy bar, and another tape diagram, same size candy bar. This first one will represent 3/6, and my second one will represent 3/7. For 3/6, I'm going to split it into 6 equal parts. And I'm going to shade in 3 of those parts. And for 3/7, I'm going to split my bar into 7 equal parts. So and I'm going to shade in 3. And I noticed that the 7ths, when I split my bar into 7 pieces, those pieces are a lot smaller than when I split it into 6 pieces. And so that tells me that 3/7 is going to be smaller than 3/6. Alright, so using your tape diagram, using words, pictures, or numbers, go ahead and work through the rest of this passage.